What if everyone invested the smart way? What if every 20-year-old started compounding money instead of wasting it? What if every paycheck worked harder than the person earning it? Would we all be rich? Or would the entire system collapse? Today, we're diving into a future that almost no one is prepared for. This is not financial advice. This is a wake-up call. First, let's define the smart way to invest. Not gambling, not day trading. We're talking about long-term investing in index funds, diversified portfolios, low fees, high patience, letting compound interest do the heavy lifting. This is what the top 10% do quietly while everyone else chases the next big thing. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, as per quoted by Einstein. Now, imagine if everyone, from baristas to billionaires, followed this exact playbook. The result? Fewer people trapped in debt, more freedom to walk away from bad jobs. The FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early, becomes the norm. Society shifts from consumers to owners. Sounds amazing, right? But wait. Here's the paradox. If everyone becomes an investor, who's left to consume? Who's left to take risks, build companies, and do the hard work when everyone is chasing passive income? Markets need inefficiency to function. Smart investing only works because most people don't do it. If everyone is above average, no one is. If everyone's a landlord, who rents? The system relies on financial ignorance to stay balanced. So what's the truth? If everyone started investing smarter, we'd see a massive shift. Wealth would flatten, generational poverty would shrink, mental health would rise. People would chase purpose, not just paycheck, but the top 1%. They'd just shift the rules again. New asset classes, new vehicles, new games. The secret isn't just investing smart, it's thinking 10 steps ahead. Investing smart isn't about beating the system. It's about understanding the game and deciding how you want to play it. Because if you're not building assets, you are someone else's asset. Subscribe for more forbidden truths the top 1% don't want you to hear. Drop a comment. When did you start investing? And what's your smartest move so far? This is 300 Secrets to Success.